Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you may have guessed from the title, I'm embarking on a 2 to 3 week long road trip of the south coast. I'm part way through the Big Lerf Winter League species hunt at the moment. I'm 20 species in on freshwater and only 4 on saltwater, so I need to start making some moves along the south coast, you know, Weymouth, Poole, down into Devon and Cornwall, start getting some more on my saltwater tally. I'm currently at the end of day 1 of my road trip in a very windy Poole harbour. I don't know if you can hear it, it's like 45 miles an hour wind out there, it's crazy. So I'm going to fish here tomorrow, but today I went out on the way down here for Grayling on the Hampshire Avon. It was a brilliant day, had a really good time, and I'm using this bad windy weather we've got this evening to edit the video. So without further ado, enjoy my little Grayling video. It's part 1 of hopefully many as we travel along the south coast over Christmas and New Year, seeing what we can catch basically. So enjoy. Oh, fish, first cast, look. First cast. What is it? Something decent. Trout, I think. That's wild. Oh my god, it's a fish first cast. That's crazy. No way. Oh, it's a trout. No? I can't tell. It's going wild. No way. Is that Grayling straight away? Oh, it's a trout. Oh my god, this stupid net. Wicked. A fish first cast. A nice one at that. Oh wow, beautiful brown trout. Lovely. Let's have a look at him then. That was a welcome first fish. Second the lure hit the water. Had a bend in the rod. I'm well happy with that. Out of season though, so doesn't count in the Winter League, but what a good start to the day. So all I'm using today, very simple rig, it's literally just a split shot, then a size 18 or I think Pt.1 hook with a white Fladden Verms fake maggot on, and I'm just casting out into the flow, and I'm just letting it slowly trot leftwards, sort of mid-water. I might hit the bottom, but being so light it's not really going to drag the bottom at all. I've got a very light rod too, it's just a 5 gram tubular tip, 5 pound braid on, and a 3 pound fluorocarbon leader. Very simple, there's literally nothing to worry about if you get snagged either. Ooh, something jumping over there then. Probably a trout, but I'll have a cast, see what it is. Something small jumping around. Just got to try not to catch that tree. Oh, brilliant cast. Oh, he didn't go for it. It's the thing when you see fish jump, they seem to disappear from the spot very quickly. So I'm about an hour into the session, and I think the old first cast fish bad luck may have struck, because I haven't had a sniff since then. Gonna keep grinding at it though. It's very cold and the wind seems to switch on and off. and there's been a little bit of rain which wasn't on the cards. Just the trout so far, but I need that grayling. Ideally don't want to have to come back here. It's not on my route, so I'm going to keep at it. I'm walking back to the start now and I'll do a couple of laps. It's only a half-mile stretch, so you end up covering the same ground a few times. Fingers crossed we'll get a grayling and then we can get back in the warmth and head to the coast. There's a grayling. Is that a grayling? No, it's a trout. Trout. Yeah, it's a grayling. Didn't put up much of a fight, this one. Just been letting her recover. It's only a small one and she didn't really want to go back initially, but looks a little bit better now. She's starting to kick again. Yeah, she'll be okay. There we are. Off she goes. Whee! I'm sure I caught that on camera. That looked like a trout to me. Yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh my god, the tiniest grayling known to man! Wow! Look at that! Oh my god! That is a baby grayling, look! I've caught a gudgeon-sized grayling, look. That's wild. That's crazy. Right, so improving. I've had a brown trout now and 1.5 grayling, so target's been achieved, but I'd like to catch a slightly bigger one before I head off, so I'm gonna do one loop on this side and then a pass on the other side and then head off to the coast. It's Cooper, I think he's had enough. Cooper! Bit cold, isn't it? Fish. Oh, I don't know my net. I don't know where my net is. Oh no, my net. Oh, sake. My net's fallen off. I couldn't get it out. Oh, where's that? Oh, that was a nice fish as well, and I don't have my bloody net. There it is, look. So when I jumped off that bloody log, I should have known better, really. Oh, never mind. These things happen, eh? Yeah, fish. Hey, nice grayling. trout. Brown trout, I think. No, Grayling, yes, on unscented as well. Amazing. It's on unscented. Brilliant. Oh, that was a good one. I was getting a bit frustrated with all this weather, so. Go on then, off you go. Great, I'm absolutely buzzing from that session. Trout first cast, then I had 3 grayling, and I'm glad I didn't end it on that lost fish because I didn't have my net. That would have left a tiny bit of a sour taste. I had that beautiful fish right at the end on an unscented worm as well for another section of the comp, and I think I'm going to call it a day now. I had a brilliant time. As picturesque as this place looks, it's bloody noisy. You got the A road just behind me. So yeah, me and Cooper are cold but happy, quite muddy, and I'm putting my new wellies to good use that I bought the other day. And we're gonna head down to Pool now, maybe if it's calm enough, do a little bit of sight fishing in the dark, and then do a full day tomorrow, and I might have a friend visiting from the area too, so we'll see. But hope you enjoyed this video, part 1 of hopefully many parts of my road trip, and I shall see you soon.